This video outlines a component of a maintenance management system as configured specifically for Integrated Building Systems Pty Limited. We have here Mr. Keith Steele, who is the owner of the company. Keith, could you talk through the process as it applies to your service management and administration staff?
Sure. So now we go to the complete no action required, and we can see here's our job, 1st of July 2021. Missenden Road, Ridges, John McGregor has completed it, and he's saying that the monthly maintenance is done, there are no issues. So me or admin staff go into that and say, okay, we're happy with that. We may choose to save the service report as a PDF, which some of our, in this case, one of our customers wants to do. Very simply, go to the service reports tab, pick the service report we got. Now bear in mind we didn't make one for this because I don't want it, but this is what you would do. Go to edit, save as PDF, and Visual Vault will convert this file to a PDF, give us a preview of it, and then you simply have to save it wherever you want that saved. We keep a directory for each site, so that's what it looks like when it comes out if you wanted to print it out, and then save as, and it just goes to wherever you want to put it. Once you've done that, you get back into the service report, close it, back into the service report thing, go back to the work order, and this is click, 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 click if you once you're familiar with it. And so I'm happy with that now, it's ready to go. Moving this along without picking up a piece of paper, we change its status to ready for invoice, save it, and you'll see that it will then disappear from the complete action required, and it's moving along to the accounts department. Same again, now I can't see it, but the girls in accounts come along first thing every morning, they click on ready for invoicing, and they see what jobs are in there to invoice. So we use so there's a couple there that are actually live, this one isn't, we've just made that up, but those two jobs have just been done over the weekend. So they see that, they open that, they do their invoice, and just for our purposes, they would fill in the invoice number and the amount, and then they would close it. Service admin, different tab. This is where we look, okay, now we've got some problems. Let's assume that this one, I know what's going on here. So Alex, in this case, he's done his service, but he's found a couple of issues that need to be fixed. So from there, up pops that, and he says required. 1 truck radiator cap, 2 batteries. So his job's complete, but he knows that we need to organise to get these things done. Service admin would then quote this, then they would move it across to ready for invoicing again, and it moves along to accounts, but we've taken note of this and we've actioned it before we move it across. Pretty straightforward.
Many thanks for that insight today, Keith.